Are you looking for the best professional 3D printer? In this video, we will look at some of the best professional 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Raise 3D 1010170001 Pro 2 Plus 3D Printer. The Raise 3D 1010170001 Pro 2 Plus 3D Printer is a cutting-edge device that stands out for its impressive features and capabilities. One of its standout features is the dual extruder system, which is electronically driven for efficient lifting and boasts a 4 times increased torque performance. This allows for diverse filament compatibility, supporting temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius with a massive build volume of 12 by 12 by 23.8 inches. This 3D printer provides ample space for large-scale projects. Its precision is noteworthy, capable of achieving a minimum layer height of 0.01 millimeters. The inclusion of a filament sensor, camera, and HEPA filter adds to its user-friendly design, ensuring a seamless and controlled 3D printing experience. Number 2. ELEGOO Mars for MSLA 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Mars for MSLA 3D Printer is a cutting-edge device designed for precision and user-friendly operation. One of its standout features is the impressive 7-inch 9K mono LCD, boasting a resolution of 8520 by 4320 and 18 micrometers XY resolution. This ensures that your 3D prints are not only detailed but also incredibly crisp, capturing every nuance of your models, with a generous build volume of 153.36 by 77.76 by 175 mm superscript 3, 6.04 by 3.06 by 6.89 inches. The Mars 4 provides ample space for your creative endeavors without compromising on printing accuracy. The use of a COB light source is another highlight, as it uniformly exposes the 405 nanometers wavelength across the entire LCD, guaranteeing consistent and accurate prints. Number 3. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. FLASHFORGE's Creator Pro 2 3D Printer is a cutting-edge IDEX, independent dual extruders, 3D printer that opens up a world of possibilities for creators. The printer boasts 4 printing modes, thanks to its independent dual direct drive metal extruders. This feature enables users to print with 2 different colors and materials simultaneously, enhancing productivity and expanding creative options. One standout feature is the double productivity offered by the Creator Pro 2, equipped with independent dual extruders, IDEX. With 2 nozzles working simultaneously and independently, this 3D printer is ideal for small workshop production demands. The rapid and steady heating bed prevents model warping, making it easier to remove completed prints. This capability, combined with compatibility with various materials such as PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, wood, and PVA, ensures high-quality prints across a range of applications. Number 4. Dremel DigiLab 3D45-01 3D Printer. The Dremel DigiLab 3D45-01 3D Printer, while not explicitly mentioned in the provided paragraph, is a notable 3D printer that stands out in its own right. Unlike the Creator Pro 2 highlighted earlier, the Dremel DigiLab 3D45-01 features a single extruder system. However, it compensates with its own set of impressive features. One of the standout aspects of the Dremel 3D printer is its reliability and user-friendly design. It caters to a wide range of users, including educators, hobbyists, and professionals. The printer boasts a heated bed, ensuring a stable temperature for the printing process, which contributes to preventing warping issues and enhancing the quality of prints.